In case if you're wondering that this is a park, you're absolutely wrong. It's a college. It's a college near Kohima, St. Joseph College, where I've come here to conduct some motivational sessions for the youngsters who are pursuing different other streams other than medical and dental. We don't have medical or dental here. In fact, Nagaland Medical University Medical College was established this year. I've been to that college, and as you can see, it's an amazing location. The landscapes, the hill station, the clouds, the climate, the weather. I would say this is one of the perfect environments you can ever have for learning purpose. To establish colleges with infrastructure to impart education to students, these kind of setups would be simply perfect. So keeping this aside, as you guys know, NEET MDS 2024 official dates, exam dates have been released by NBE, and it is 9th February 2024. Even though it's mentioned as tentative, unless there is some extraordinary situation, they're not going to change the dates or reschedule the dates. So assume that this is your final exam date and plan your preparation accordingly. Regarding the schedules, customized schedules, region schedules, I've released them last week from Arunachal Pradesh, if you remember. So you can check it out or get back through mail or WhatsApp to access the same and start your either first time preparation or maybe revision using these customized schedules. Regarding study tips, strategies, you can directly communicate with me one-on-one for personalized guidance, and feel free to get back 24/7, and I mean it. And also you can check out the previous videos which I have been posting on YouTube. There is a lot of free content, and keeping this as an opportunity, we are releasing a new course, a crash course, to benefit students in this short duration. So you can access the details on our website, or you can get back through mail or WhatsApp to know more details about our crash course, which includes e-classes, test series, as well as certain materials, soft copies, which you can thoroughly revise before your exam, right? And finally, before I conclude, as I keep on reminding, it's all about, and it boils down to these three factors: hard work, consistency, and self-belief. Always keep these three factors in mind, and no matter how your preparation was in the past, and no matter how the future is going to be, all these things, it actually doesn't matter. What you're doing right now is all that matters. So keep that in mind, be practical, and let's use our common sense and focus on giving our best. Don't get carried away by any fear, anxiety, pressure, because it's in no way going to serve any purpose. On top of it, it's going to ruin your preparation. But since we are humans with feelings, we do get carried away. That is why we have this guidance program. So get back anytime, 24/7, and remember that ultimately it's your life, it's your professional career. As you sow, so shall you reap. So give your best and receive the best. In fact, as I keep on saying, we get what we give. So give your 100% without any second thought. What's there to lose in the process? Kuch nahi. Just give your best. Take care.